National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Smith County in southwestern Virginia, eastern Tazewell County in southwestern Virginia, western Bland County in southwestern Virginia, northwestern Wood County in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Mercer County in southeastern West Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Burke's Garden, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bluefield, Rural Retreat, Ceres, Burke's Garden, Pocahontas, Bramwell, and Nebo. This includes the following location: Mercer County Airport,